This is an emergency alert from the National Weather Service for all residents of Rice County, Kansas. An EF4 tornado is likely to form in the next few hours. Please shelter in place until the storm passes. The United States government has issued a state of emergency for the U.S. state of Kansas. We ask all residents of Kansas to shelter in place until the government lifts the shelter-in-place order. The world is currently experiencing a decay-class, reality invasion scenario. The whole of humanity is at risk to this event. We are the SCP Foundation, an extreme classified organization that is supported by all major world governments. The US government cannot handle this event, so the SCP Foundation has stepped in to help. We ask all US citizens to please listen to the following information for your safety. The entities that have entered our reality have the appearance of somewhat giraffe-like. They are believed to be about 150 to 200 feet tall. They dark gray in appearance, walk on all fours. If you are to encounter one of these entities that we will be referring to as Titans, and walkers find a building with a small space to hide in, remain there until the walker walks away.
There is nothing left on this earth for us. This is the end.